Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website using Squarespace. First, navigate to the Squarespace website and sign up for an account. You will then be prompted to choose a template that best suits your needs, whether for a portfolio, online store, or blog. Consider your content and target audience when making this initial selection. This foundational step is crucial for shaping your site's overall look and feel. Once you have chosen a template, it's time to personalize your site. Squarespace's editor allows you to customize every aspect, from color palettes and fonts to page sections and image placement. Use the drag-and-drop interface to rearrange elements and add new blocks. Experiment with different styles to ensure your website reflects your brand or personal aesthetic perfectly. This flexibility helps you achieve a unique online presence. Now, let's populate your website with engaging content. Upload high-quality images and videos and write compelling text for your pages. If you're selling products, set up your online store with product listings, pricing, and shipping options. You can also add a blog to share updates, create contact forms for inquiries, or integrate scheduling tools. These features enhance user interaction and provide valuable functionality. Before going live, thoroughly review your website on various devices to ensure it looks great everywhere. Connect a custom domain name to give your site a professional identity. Once you are satisfied, hit the Publish button to make your website accessible to the world. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your digital life. Congratulations on building your new Squarespace site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.